Welcome to Tutorials Point. Let's understand what is Product Backlog Grooming meeting in Scrum framework. Many a times when it comes to adaptation, it is important to have a feedback. Sometimes the feedback from sprint planning meeting cannot be addressed during the duration of the sprint. In such cases, before the next sprint planning meeting comes, the team can get together to have an understanding about the product backlog which is coming, and also if there are any issues with the upcoming items in the product backlog. So, product backlog grooming meeting is held during the sprint. The meeting can be for the product owner to explain what is coming in the next sprint. Also, it can be a meeting for development team members to have a conversation with product owner regarding what will be required to have a certain functionality done, and that should happen before sprint planning meeting. So we can consider that this is kind of a forecast meeting for what is coming in the product backlog. Next one, in this meeting, team reviews whatever points that were discussed regarding the upcoming items in the product backlog and provides input to the product owner. Product owner may decide to take it forward with a stakeholder, or he or she can decide a particular decision for the development team members. Lastly, not all Scrum team members are required. For instance, in many cases, product backlog grooming meeting doesn't have the stakeholders involved. Also, many a times the meeting can be very much between a Scrum Master and a product owner. That is all about product backlog grooming meeting. Thank you so much for watching.